Hey folks, this is Basant here. Today's video I'm going to talk about Buildin. This is the platform you can use to turn your ideas into the actionable steps. You have the goals but don't know how to accomplish them. There are the lot of the things you don't know or they understand. So with this platform you can just turn your ideas into the goals, then break them into the steps, and then you can follow those steps with your actions, and in the end slowly but sturdily you are going to make your goal accomplish here. So with this platform you are going to get a Notion like the interface, and it is directly alternative to the Notion. Okay, so not only you are just going to create these steps or the goals or the productivity tracker, but you can also share them with others like you. Like in the beginning you are having the difficulty accomplishing your goal, and the same people might be available in the outer world here, so you can also share them with them, and you can even sell out this document with them. So I will talk about this platform in detail, give you the overview and the tutorial how this works out. I have just tested out with this platform and I'm really surprised because this gives me the information how I am going to just accomplish my goal here, and I even able to break them into these little small steps that I can just follow at a time, and then after that I can mark them, and this is the next step I can just work out. Okay, so let me get started giving out the demo of this platform. So this is the Buildin starting from just $39. You have to get its lifetime deal to get the access of the platform. There are the multiple tier plans available, but I suggest go with at least the tier 2 plan because this will give you the higher number of the seats. Might be possible in the future you want to add your colleagues or the team members, so in the tier 2 you can easily do that. There's also the pages history and the higher limits you will get in the tier 2. Now let me go to the platform. This is how this platform look like. In the Buildin.ai you will see this is the ask anything section. If you have the any goal or the query or the thing you want to do, simply give it. For example, right now I want to start a YouTube channel in the 2026 without quitting my job, and this is the same problem goes on with the many people. So I don't know how to get started, so simply I will ask Buildin.ai, and I'm going to enter my prompt here. You can see, okay, this is my not prompt, I have the prompt. Yeah, you can see this is my prompt. Give me steps how to start a YouTube channel 2026 with the most efficient way so I don't have to quit my job. Okay, now what you can do, you can select the web search or the research. I will do with the website because there's a lot of the documents available in the internet, and then after that I can just select the different AI models. So I will go with the Plot 4.5 because this can give me the most of the internet research in my most efficient way. So this is my query, and simply I will hit enter. Now it will start going out the sources. Okay, I hit my quota, so it is not giving me the answer. Okay, so no worries, I have done that here. So for example, I have just used with the Google Maps SEO. I want to start an agency on the Google Maps SEO. Okay, so it has given me the complete step-by-step action plan here. So this is the phase 1, phase 2, and all the stuffs I needed. Like this is the starter, this is the growth, what thing I can offer, what tools I need to use. All this information it has given me in this action plan here. Now what I have done, the extra thing. So this is my action document I have got here, but later on what I have done, I have turned into a to-do list. Like for example, in the phase 1 I have done this first step, so I will mark as the check. So this phase first step is done. I can go to the next step, this is done. Third step, this is done here. Okay, so simply how you can do that. So once you have just click here on the workspace plus icon, you can just give your file as a name or folder as a name. Like this is the SEO plan, or like YouTube channel in 2026 you want to start here. Now after that just click here on this space where you are start going to create this plan for you, and we are going to use the AI. So simply enter the slash, and now this enable this thing that is the AI assistant. So we have the so many steps or the things available in this AI assistant. Like I want to create a to-do list, I want to just brainstorm, I want to ask it's Buildin.ai. Okay, then we have these headings. This is basically the blogs. I can add the image, I can add the web bookmark, I can add the audio, video. These things I can do that here, and not only that, I can even add the gallery page, board page, the list page, the timeline, all the stuffs I can add. Even if I have the embed any web page, I can do that. I can basically, there are tons of the things I can easily add. So right now I'm going to doing as the starting, so I will simply go on the Buildin.ai, and now I will just select the different AI models that I have the options. I will go with the ChatGPT Mini 5 and simply give my prompt. Like I want to start the YouTube channel, so simply I will add and hit the enter. Now it will start giving out the process of the steps. Okay, so once my process and this steps is given, I later on turn them into the to-do list, so it can take some time, so you have to wait. Okay, now it will start giving out me all the steps, like this is the step-by-step plan, number 1, number 2, number 3 things. Okay, so it is still just giving me the all the information, and it can take around the few seconds, so we have to wait till the all these steps is given. Basically, you can understand how this platform is going to work out. You have the idea, and you just giving or creating a document, the step-by-step checklist, your process or the productivity sheet here. Okay, so first this is the thing you can got here. Now what you can do again in the later part, you can again slash enter, and after that you can just create the more things. Like I want to turn it into the this one, create a to-do list of above steps. Okay, so now I am creating the to-do list here. Building writing, so you have to wait after giving all the information. So this is all the to-do list. And now let me give you the one more quick note here. Suppose if any step you are stuck and don't know how to do it, so simply go to that step. Okay, so just mark this step here, and after that this option will be the enable AI explain. So here you can ask the AI how you can do this step, and if you are facing any problem, even you can just ask it how to solve this problem here. So that thing is also good. You can just mark it as the bold, you can change the layout, there's the color things. So basically this is for the layout and the formation, you can do that. Okay, so even if I go to the next step, for example, this is the to-do list I have created for my Google Maps SEO. Okay, and this is the one step. I can go here and simply add this space, and I can ask enable the AI option. I will add the slash, go to the till the end. I can add a mind map here, but I want to add a list of the productivity tracker, so I will go to till the end, and I know there's the yeah, this is the board section I want to add. Okay, let me add the board. Yeah, this is the board page I will add, and now you can see this is the board added here. So I can add the categories, and I can add my to-do list. So suppose I want to create a list here of the records, so I will go here and let me see what is the first step. Like first step is the pick a niche and the target audience. So I will simply get here, copy this one, and add this thing in my to-do list. I have added this one. Okay, if I have to add more information, I can do it here, but I don't want to add, and this thing will be the enabled here. Now what I can do, once this I was in the, now what I can do, I want to just fulfill this task here, so I will go to make it in the progress, and once this task is done, I can just make it as the completed. So that way you are even tracking your progress in the same platform. Okay, so you can also create this sheet of this productivity here. So suppose you have just given the actionable plan here. Okay, and now you want to share this with someone that is in the same position as you, that he or she want to start the YouTube channel in 2026. You have given the checklist and the information here of the steps. Now you can simply click here on the share, make it public. Okay, and now with the anyone link you can share here. And here's my favorite one, even if you want to earn money or monetize this plan, simply click here on the paid subscriber, enable the paid one, and here you have to add the amount how much you want to charge. I want to charge the $1 for this one. Simply click here on the copy, and now publish, confirm post. This thing is published. Simply got the link from here. Let's go to the incognito mode, and now anyone that is going to access this link, you are sharing your plan or the steps or the cheat sheet to start your YouTube channel without quitting job in 2026 here. And now you can see anyone they are going to access this file or the link, they have to pay to get the full sim. So that way you are not just creating or fulfilling your own goal, you are also helping the people while earning the money. That thing you can do with the building, and there are tons of great things you can do it here, because there's the template library available. You can access this template library from this thing. Okay, and now you can see we have the like goal tracker, we have the multiple things, and these things you can just share and the sell other people. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you like this tool. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. It feels like the Notion, although Notion is the little bit limited free, but here you can use this platform almost free, because the paying pricing is really affordable. Just one time payment starting from the $39. If you want to check it out, this deal link is given in the description, and there's also the right now AI week sale going on the app. So means you can get a lot of the AI tools in the one time payment with the lifetime access. If you want to check it out, this lifetime deals, I have given the link in the description, so make sure you check it out. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.